Want to learn family words in Kannada fast? Let's go. English to Kannada translation of family relations. Father equals tande, tande. Mother equals tai, tai. Son equals maga, maga. Daughter equals magalu, magalu. Grandfather equals tata, tata. Grandmother equals ajji, ajji. Brother equals sahodara, sahodara. Sister equals sahodari, sahodari. Husband equals ganda, ganda. Wife equals hendati, hendati. Uncle equal chikkappa, chikkappa. Aunt equals chikkamma, chikkamma. Example, my father is very kind. ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. Learn these daily to improve your Kannada fast. Follow Top Bengaluru for more Kannada words.